Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Recipes Fitness Tips. I am Papia. I am the owner of Healthy Recipes Fitness Tips channel. Thanks for showing all your love and support all these days. Today's video is about green coffee. Yes friend, green coffee is really effective for weight loss. I lost almost 12 kg after consuming this miracle green coffee drink. Before starting this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for further updates. Let's start the video. Friend, here is the green coffee. This is Valley green coffee. You can get it in Flipkart, Amazon, even in their website. In market, you will get all the other brands also. Before buying any product, make sure that is genuine. Recently, I have started consuming this green coffee. This is really good. The taste is also better. Now friends, what is green coffee? Green coffee is the unroasted coffee beans. Yes, black coffee is also very effective for weight loss, but green coffee will be more effective. Green coffee is rich in chlorogenic acids. It is rich in antioxidants. It increases your BMR rate. It controls your blood pressure. In this way, it helps you in weight loss. Also boosts your immunity. This COVID time, if you start consuming this green coffee, your immunity will be boosted. How to make this green coffee? To know that, let's go to my kitchen. So first I'm adding some water in a pan. So friends, here you can see the green coffee, how it is looking. We will use only 1 tablespoon of the green coffee. After 10 minutes, we will strain the green coffee and we will add it in a cup, and we have to drink it as it is. You should consume green coffee when it is little bit hot. If it is cold, then it will be not that much effective. Green coffee you should not consume too much in one day. You can consume twice in a day, that is before lunch and before dinner. If you consume it too much, you will feel stomach upset problem. Now who should not consume this green coffee? Who are having high blood pressure, who are under some medication, who are pregnant, who are breastfeeding women, for children, it is not allowed. And after consuming this, if you think that you are facing any problem or you are not feeling well, then immediately discontinue it. Human body is reacting in different. Safe, it is herbal green tea. You can consume it. I have consumed it for a long time. I have never faced any problem. I have given the link for this Valley green coffee in my description box. Including this green coffee in your diet, you should include a healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle means avoiding junk food, avoiding street food, not completely, but as much as you can, you should avoid junk food, and you should be physically active. You should go for walk. Surround yourself by good people who loves you, who care for you. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Take care. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Bye bye.